Here's the tea. Moving to LA has made my skin super dry. Hello everyone. For those who don't know me, my name is Jessie. I am a Sephora Squad member and the newest Sephora Pro member. So I'm gonna be sharing with you my dry skincare routine to get glowing. So let's get started. So first thing that I do is cleansing my face. I have very dry skin. I don't do double cleansing in the morning. I usually do a single one step to take away the dirt and debris. So first things first is going to be the Freck Cactus water. This one I love. First of all, it has lactic acid. It also has a little bit of plant and vegetable extracts, so it's gonna help you hydrate, it's gonna help you exfoliate gently the skin and also clean it. And I just swipe away. You don't wanna tug or pull. I usually do in the corners of my nose. I usually get a lot of texture, so right in there. Forehead, I also get texture. Honestly, I get texture everywhere, but let's just not go into that right now. I'm gonna go on my chin, on my mustache that I did not shave, so you're gonna enjoy it at its full splendor today, and on my jawline. Don't forget the neck. I'm gonna go right in here. The magic of lactic acid is that it not only gently exfoliates, it also helps keep the hydration into the skin. So this for dry skin is an amazing ingredient to have. And usually I always add it onto my routines because my skin is 100% different. It's super glowy, it's super plump, and it keeps hydration longer. And this is how the skin looks. So for my next step, I'll be using the Peace Out Dark Spot Serum. And the reason why I love it is because it helps keep my skin without any spots. In LA, there's a lot of sun. I'm getting them more often. So I'm gonna apply a little bit so you can see. Super lightweight, goes amazing with my skincare routine, and has AHAs to keep me looking glowy and even. One pump is enough. I usually apply it forehead, cheeks. As you can see, I have a couple. And I want them out of my face. I want them all out. Feels so good and so hydrating. Okay, let's talk about eyes. My eyes were super dry ever since I moved to LA. This one is my favorite. This is the Biosense Squalane and Marine Algae Eye Cream. Let's show you the texture. Really nice and creamy. The reason why I love this is because obviously it has squalane, so it helps lock in moisture. And the way I apply it is gonna be on my drier areas where I'm like very, very dry and flaky. So I'm gonna show you. I use my ring finger, it has less pressure. Super simple, just tap it in there. Tap it in here. Oh, this feels so good. And then on the outer corners too. Don't do a lot of pressure because your eye area is pretty delicate and gentle. This one is also amazing under makeup. So if you like putting concealer afterwards, give it a try. Next step is moisturize. For this, I'm gonna be using the Youth of the People. This is the Polypeptide 121 Future Cream. And let's address the elephant in the room. I know my skin gets super red when I get to use any actives on my skincare routine, and that's okay, that's fine. This one, however, is gonna help me with redness, anti-aging, hydration. It's gonna give it all. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my little spoon, take a little bit of lotion out, and apply it on my skin. It is so rich, yet so lightweight. Oh, it feels amazing. I'm gonna go right here in the center of my face. Give that little plumpness and hydration. That's it. For my next step, I'm gonna lock everything in because we have worked so hard for it. And for that, I'm gonna be using the Herbivore. This is the Phoenix Rosette coil. This is so nice. It feels really nice and thick. It's anti-aging. It will definitely lock everything in. As the name say, it does has rose hip, so it's very nourishing. You can use from 1 to 2 drops. I think 1 is enough, especially during the daytime, because I will follow up with SPF. I warm it into my fingertips and I just press it into my skin. So let's get that ready. Feels so good. Under my nose because it gets dry. Right on top of my eyebrows, they also get little flakies, and even under my brows. And look how glowy the skin is looking. Who would say that I have dry skin? No one. Last but definitely not least is gonna be the SPF. I'm gonna be using for that the Super Goop Every Single Face. This is the watery lotion SPF 50. Now, for me, SPF is very important. I always use it. I always reapply every 2 hours because I don't want to get sunspots. And this is the #1 anti-aging, pretty much. It's going to be your SPF. So make sure you apply 2 finger lengths of product. If you're gonna do your neck, do a 3rd finger, but definitely this is more than enough. I use it when I'm inside working on my computer because this protects you from blue light pollution, and it feels so nice. It's amazing for all skin types, and it looks so soft. And this one doesn't have a white cast, which I love. It looks so natural. Look at that glow. This is my dry skincare routine. I am so happy you got to watch this with me. Please make sure that if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. You can definitely pick my brain. I'm here to help you. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Big kisses, my loves. Bye!